this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office here. And today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging another Ipsy mystery bag. So definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. So the reason why I'm calling this my Ipsy mystery bag is because I honestly don't know what's in the bag. For the last 2 months, if you guys have been watching my Ipsy bag unbaggings, you guys have known that ever since I've upgraded to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, for some reason the address on my regular Ipsy bag continued because it is fixed now, so I thank them for fixing that, continued to be changed to something that an address that was not deliverable. It was the same address but was missing information to make sure that I would receive my package. So after many back and forths with the right customer service peeps, I was able to finally fix that. So this month everything was resolved. So this bag is actually from May, but I just received it, so I wanted to share with you guys what was in this. And again, I have no idea what's in this bag because when they send you a replacement bag, it's not what's going to be on your profile, so we have no idea what's in here. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, so the very first thing that I am pulling out is from the outside. It was outside the Ipsy bag. So this is, and with these, it's kind of hard because there's no description within the bag, so I can't tell you a description of what this is. But this is a makeup brush from Ella and Eden. Let me take it out so you guys can see. There you go. And then there's no number on this brush, but so we don't know what kind of brush this is, but I like it. I'm in process, as you guys know, if you've been following for a while. The reason why I started getting the Ipsy bags was so I can get rid of everything, my makeup bags, replace everything that I had because I've had them for many years. So I'm in the process of replacing everything that's in there. So this is definitely going to be, I'm thankful, and this is definitely going to replace some brush that's in my room right now. So I thankfully did get the bag that I wanted. This was in last month's bag. Last time I got a replacement, it was a totally different bag. Had no idea what was in it. So thankfully I did finally get the glitter bag. So I am excited about that. Let me move this stuff here so that we can walk through it together. Again, it does not come with an indication or anything of what's inside, so we are going through this together. All right, so let us take a look here. Okay, so the very first thing I see here, this is a Coconut Skin Smooth Primer. Let me see. I'll show you guys so you guys can see that there. And I'll actually probably take a video of photos and I'll replace that so you guys can see it up close. There you go. So this is Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer. So let's take a look and see if that smells coconutty. And it's primer, so you guys can see that there of what it looks like, just like any other primer. And it does have it does have somewhat of a scent to it, coconut scent, but not like overwhelming, not crazy. So this one, I'll definitely try this one. This one is definitely smooth and it does definitely blend in. So I'm definitely excited to try that. And then the next item I have here is Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty, and you guys should be able to see that there. And then let's see how this one looks. Okay, so this comes in a little packet. And then let's see where we open this bad boy up from. Okay, so that's how it looks there. And let's do a swatchy swatch just to see how it highlights. And not bad at all. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can hardly see it, but it's right here. I'm definitely excited to try that, so I'm not mad about that one. And this one I know was coming in my original, this was coming in my original Ipsy, so I'm definitely excited for this one. This is an eggplant. What are you? Oh, cleansing foam, sorry. These are so small, sometimes it's hard to hear. So this is a cleansing foam from Eggplant Papa Recipe. Yeah, it's an eggplant cleansing foam. You guys should be able to see that there. There you go. So definitely love to get cleansers because we have to cleanse our face every day. And then last but not least, this is from Velveteen. This is hashtag INM. It says, what is this? I'm not missing out. It's what it says on the side, so that's weird. And then on the side it says I'm not missing out, and am I? Should I assume that? No, the color is Velveteen Dream eyeshadow from INM Cosmetics. So that's very cute packaging, if you can see that there. There you go. And then let us take a look so we can do one last, see what this one looks like. Oh, okay. This is the purple, and this actually was supposed to be in my original bag, so I was definitely excited. I love the color purple. This is very cute. This is big enough packaging, so I'm definitely happy to receive that. And let us do a swatch so you guys can take a look and see. Let me just make it darker and build it up so you guys can take a look. And there it is. So definitely a pretty color for the spring, for summer. I love colors, especially in the summer, because you're wearing like a white t-shirt, it definitely, it lets you open up your eyes to any other colors. So let's do a recap. We did get the bag that we wanted, because last time I got a mystery bag, it was totally different. We got in a brush from Ella and Eden, and what I'll do is in the description, I'll put the information for each product so that you guys can take a look at the original retail price, because this when you get a replacement bag, again, it doesn't come with any prices, so I have no idea what those are, but I would definitely put the description. And if you want information on how Ipsy works, they're $10, and I'm sorry I didn't say that in the beginning. These are $10 bags every month. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that I mentioned, that's $25, and those are all full-size products. So I'll put the information. And then the next item we received from Papa Recipe was an eggplant cleansing, an eggplant cleansing cleanser. That's that. We have that, and then we have here, I'm not too sure what the name of the company is for this one, but this is the Coconut Skin Smooth Primer. So we have that, and then we have the Highlight Radiant Glow Highlighter from IBY. We have that here also, and I hope that you guys can see that. There you go. That was good size there, because highlighters take me a while to go through, so I don't mind getting small batches of those. And then we have the purple eyeshadow from INM. Not too sure if you guys see that, but we did get the purple eyeshadow from INM Cosmetics. So this month was for last month, but I'm definitely excited to receive that. And this month, our Ipsy bag will actually be my 18-year-old daughter, myself and my 18-year-old daughter. We take time. We take turns each month. So I get the Ipsy Plus every month. She gets a bag, and then the next month I'll get a bag, and we kind of share. So the next Ipsy bag is on its way, and that's definitely, you'll see that next on this channel. That's going to be an 18-year-old profile. Mine is my regular my regular Ipsy bag for my 40-year-old self, and then hers will be what you would get if your profile was an 18-year-old. And she rarely wants makeup, so we'll see what she gets in hers. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we will definitely see you on the next video. So stay tuned and like and subscribe if you dig videos like this for sure.